Clarification lang po dun sa session days. So yung first 3 po, na complaints, lahat na aktuhan within 10 session days. Would that be correct?
Yes, all of them were acted on within 10 session days.
Meaning po na calendar, tama po. Na UB. Nalagay po sa UB, tama po.
They were transmitted to the Speaker of the House and included in the order of business within 10 session days.
Okay po. Sa yung second po, ma'am, you mentioned na yung the circumstances surrounding the filing of the impeachment, lahat according to internal rules and regulations. Tama po ba na in accordance din sa internal rules and regulations of the House na decision po ni SecGen kung is decision po kung ire-refer sa Justice Committee or hindi ire-refer sa Justice Committee?
That was not said in the pleading filed. All that was said that all matters that were conducted in the initiation of the impeachment proceedings were done in compliance with the internal proceedings of the workings of the House.
Kung parang kung yung naaktuhan po yung tatlo. So kasi ang contention po ng House, 'di ba, if I remember it right, hindi na-initiate yung tatlo kasi hindi naman siya na-refer sa House Committee on Justice. So nandun po ba yun sa
Hindi.
complaint?
Yung
complaint,
tatlo
sa
kasi,
answer.
ano na siya naging moot na siya because of the fourth complaint eh. So they were archived. Yun yung kwento nun, diba? 1, 2, 3, and then may fourth. When they were transmitted and included in the order of business, they were later on archived because it became moot due to the fourth complaint.